In this video, we will be looking at SAN ACE controller for our cooling fan control system. SAN ACE controller comes equipped with state-of-the-art IoT functionality, allowing users to remotely monitor the status of fans and sensors from their terminal devices. This groundbreaking feature enables proactive preventive maintenance, ensuring optimal performance and reliability of equipment. With the SAN ACE controller, fan cooling and ventilation become more efficient than ever before. The intelligent automatic control system adjusts fan settings dynamically, reducing noise levels while maximizing energy efficiency. You can connect and manage up to 4 fans simultaneously, allowing individual speed settings for each fan. The manual control feature offers the flexibility you need. SAN ACE controller comes in 3 models. Wireless LAN model and CUL certified model also available to suit your specific requirement. Three types of sensors are available separately: temperature and humidity sensor, air pressure sensor, and accelerometer to measure vibration. The SAN ACE controller can be power up using 12, 24, or 48-volt DC power supply. Up to 4 fans can be connected. Fan with PWM function and pulse sensor type is required to utilize controller function. Through I/O port, digital input and output signal can be sent to external equipment. 4 sensors can be connected for monitoring and control function. Through LAN connection, wired or wireless, monitoring of fan status, alarm status and sensor reading is possible. It also enables system control and setting to be done remotely. All this information and controls can be accessed through LAN-connected PC, and with the additional SAN ACE Net Cloud server system, user can access it from their terminal devices via Internet. In this demonstration, we will need a DC power supply unit, cooling fans with PWM control function and pulse sensor, temperature sensor, and a PC. Connect power supply to DC connector. Connect fan wiring to F1, F2, F3 or F4 connector. Connect each cables as shown. For sensor, use LAN cable and connect it to sensor port A or B. Then connect PC to LAN port using LAN cable. Assign PC IP address for setting and connection. Make sure the assigned IP address does not overlap with controller IP address. Turn on the power supply. Wait until status LED change from orange to green. Then make sure the link LED of the LAN connector lights up green. Open any web browser from connected PC. Enter the controller IP address in the address bar of the web browser. At login screen, enter account name and password, and click Sign In button. If user authentication is successful, the measured value screen is displayed. For now, there is no fan and sensor register yet. Before making any changes, make sure the controller operation is stopped. Click Run Stop button and click Stop to stop controller operation. To add fan to the control system, click Setting, Fan, and click Add at corresponding terminal. Enter fan information and setting if necessary. If there is another fan connected, click Add for the other terminal. If you want to remove fan, click Delete. Once complete, click Apply. For sensors, click Setting, Sensor. Then, click Add. The controller will search for any connected sensor available. Select the sensor, and click Select. Enter sensor information and setting if necessary. Click Apply once done. To set the cooling fan control setting, click Setting, Control. There are two control modes available: Automatic Control Mode and Manual Control Mode, which can be switched from Perform Automatic Control by Sensor Value checkbox. Leave it unchecked for Manual Control Mode. Click Add to add fan control. Select fan and set the output duty cycle for fan speed. You can leave it to 0% and change it manually later. Click Add to set control for another fan. Once complete, click Apply. Click Run Stop button and click Run to start control operation. You can change fan speed by changing the output duty cycle from Control Setting page, or from Run Stop button in the page header. Click Measurement, Latest Value, to view fan status and sensor reading. Go back to Control Setting page to change control operation. Click Run Stop button and click Stop to stop controller operation. Select the checkbox to change to automatic control. The fan speed can be controlled by comparing sensor measured value with target value. If you have two sensors, user can use comparison mode to compare two sensors' measured value for controlling fan speed. Select connected sensor. Set the target value. Click Apply button once finished. Click Run Stop button and click Run to start control operation. Click Measurement, Latest Value, to view fan status and sensor reading. The fan speed will change automatically, based on control setting parameter set. After finish, click Admin, and select Sign Out to log out from SAN ACE controller.